And UST, as usual, in control of the early part of set number 3. But in a match against UP, you can really never tell when UP is going to wake up and say, you know, it's about time to make that run again. Or will UST say, enough is enough? Las Marias, the kind of set she likes. Tunay. Oh, nice tip. Basang-basa ni Tunay. Kita niya, no?
Tunay really with good elevation in this attack. See? Able to adjust and tip that ball over to get that point.
And a smart player, no? Kita-kita mo na tumingin muna bago hindi lang palo ng palo. Now let's go check in with Jazz Reyes.
Thanks. I think what coach really wants the girls to have right now is for them to be inspired from the win in the second set. Sabi nga niya, I want you to start taking control. Let's trabaho natin to. Irespeto natin ang laro. Wag lang natin laro-laroin. I really see Coach Ogie really tweaking out the errors of his players, and hopefully his perfectionist attitude with his players would translate to how the girls would execute this third set. Eric and Ian?
Thank you, Jazz. Well, so far, so good. Solid block, single lady block by Henido, pero napalakas with too much power coming from the hands of Banatikla.
Yes. And Coach Ogie wants probably to, well, in his way, he's telling the girls that let's end this in 4 sets, no? Kumbaga, wag na natin pabayaan na makabawi pa ulit o mangyari ulit yung nangyari ng first set.
Service error by Tunay.
Serving for UP.
And UP within 4, 6, serving 10. Over received that time para sa UST. Banatikla chasing after it. That's going to be 4 touches.
Yes, that ball not going over. Ito na naman, UP. Making their run.
And these are off errors by UST. Ano? Hindi to puntos na in-score talaga ng UP because of offense. Some hand miss itong naibigay sa UP. Let's see if they can completely take advantage. Good serve, no? Banatikla winding up, finds the line.
Right in the hole.
Right on the money for Banatikla. A bit far from the net, doesn't mind it. Make the adjustment. There you go.
11-7. Team captain Rhea Di Macolangan serving.
That's a nice serve from Rhea.
Araneta.
Araneta down.
They definitely have their moments from UP. If they can be just more consistent.
That's true.
Ayan, lusot na lusot from Angeli Araneta.
Junior Magtala serving for UP.
Combination.
Read very well by the floor defense of UP.
Banatikla.
Again being blocked. That's too close. Let's see if he can adjust. Pushes it out.
Ooh! Araneta back-to-back power hits.
Wow.
And don't look now, Doc.
Ayan
2
na
points na lang ang UP
9
from UST. Courtesy of Angeli Araneta.
Wow. They can't be Caballeros really having a difficult time in blocking that outside zone, that outside hit of UP. Whether it's Las Marias or Araneta.
Se. Oh, Se finds an opening. And the jubilant Lady Maroons are within 1, 10-11.
Lusot na naman sa block. There's always a gap in between the blocks. So that's a basic, that's a fundamental pattern that you should follow. Dapat magkadikit yung block mo.
Oh, lucky break. Magtalas with That serve that turned into an ace that sumabit sa tape of the net, and we're tied 11-all. Coach Mamon wants to talk things over.
Yun ang inaano mo. Pinapabayaan mo.
Simula.
Question lang, makakatodo ba ng serve yung kalaban? Nasa base, nasa end line na sila. Mababa. Totodo ba yun? Umadjust na kayo, short ball na yun. Eh kung mag-long man yun, malaking kaso, outside yun. Hindi na pwede todohan eh. Mag-adjust na lang kayo. Westy!
Frustration painted all over the voice of Coach Mamon.
He finds himself in a similar spot like in the first set. Again, calling a timeout early on. And this time, again, amidst a UP run, he wants the girls to really improve on their reception because that's what that's according to him the problem is. And sa totoo lang, totoo naman dahil hindi sila makaset up ng play, and Caballero from that zone has not been able to stop the attacks of UP.
Banatigla off the block.
Pero that's one of the Waterloos of UP. Butas na butas ang depensa, and the ball softened by the blockers pero wala nakakuha, no?
Tumaas pa nga. Pero hindi naabutan ng floor defense ng UP.
But nevertheless, the damage was done. Ang UP within one dito sa UST.
Totoo.
Yun ang importante dun, ano?
That's right.
Se wasn't even close to getting that over.
Right.
That was on the lower part of the net.
Definitely a miss hit from Se.
Service specialist Karangan. Katrina Karangan comes in for Hirotsuji. Araneta, solid block from Banatigla and Ortiz.
That's right. This time Banatigla gets the block on Araneta. Nice time. Nice read from Banatigla.
UST tightening it up again here. They're up by 3. But Ortiz, basa na nga yun. Binanggit na natin yung kanina, Ian, ano? Basang-basa na yung play na yun para sa UP.
That's right. And if you're a setter, you want to avoid the taller blocker. Araneta was all over that, or that's the zone that you're going to see Araneta go for the block. So, iwasan mo na siya doon. So, bumawi ni Ortiz.
Las Marias. Better floor defense by UST this time. Banatigla blocked. Ortiz down the middle, yes!
There you go. Sort of a mini running spike. Still had that movement but up to the middle area of the net. Hindi na sumagad hanggang sa dulo.
Las Marias. Tunay.
Yes, that's the right call. Setter being a back row player, called for the violation.
Sinisigaw yun dito ni Coach Mamon, ano? 16-12 is the score. We have a timeout on the floor. We'll do that.